Hello, and welcome to the MathLinks Core 2nd Edition, grades 6 through 8 Getting Started video series. In this session, we'll look at MathLinks Skill Boosters. The Skill Boosters practice routine was designed to meet goals outlined in intervention research. They're not tied to any specific MathLinks course. Skill Boosters are intended to fill in holes without losing ground on current topics. They offer structured practice on important below grade level topics, and they're mostly skills-based. Don't let core instruction come to a screeching halt. Just chip away at these below grade level topics over time in about 5 to 10 minutes per day, because short intervals of review and practice can improve fluency more than concentrated review of a below grade level topic. To find skill boosters, log on to the teacher portal and choose the Skill Boosters button. Here, you'll find all 7 topics. Let's look at an example of how they can be used. Say you have 8th graders who still need practice dividing fractions as they're coming up to an equation solving unit. But dividing fractions isn't part of an 8th grade course. Use the fraction division problem sets in this Skill Booster section as you lead up to the equations unit. On the other hand, in 6th grade, you would not use fraction division Skill Boosters because it's a concept that's fully developed in that grade. Let's take a look at fraction concepts as an example of what you have available for every topic. An outline of the skills addressed, a pre- and post-assessment with answer keys, problem sets with answer keys, and a resource guide with helpful explanations and examples. Note that the weekly problem sets are offered as a Word document so they can be manipulated if you'd like to customize them. Here's the full outline page for fraction concepts. It contains 2 charts. The top chart gives a snapshot of the skills and concepts covered, along with some example problems. The bottom chart offers a 5-week rotation where students practice 4 of the skills daily during a week. You can easily make adjustments as desired. The pre- and post tests are short and include answer keys. The problem sets are what you'll be using on a regular basis, sometimes daily. Each page identifies 4 skills for the week. And then 4 problems are provided with each set. The last problem is typically appropriate for more in-depth discussion if desired. Remember that you can always modify these. The resource guide contains explanations and examples for selected skills. Here we see some sense-making strategies for ordering fractions. So if students need to fill in gaps for these below grade level topics, use our handy Skill Boosters routine. To learn more about the program, please check out other Getting Started videos. The ones you see here are especially relevant to the information provided in this session. Thank you for taking time to learn more about our program. We hope you now have a better understanding of MathLinks Skill Boosters.